Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to discuss how you can create a chatbot. So we will be discussing the step-by-step process for creating a chatbot, and this video is specifically for the beginners who want to learn how to create a chatbot, what all libraries are being used in creating a chatbot, and then we will be also discussing what type of IDE you can use. So we will be discussing the Jupyter Notebook. Right now, this Jupyter Notebook is very much used in all types of Python programming, and we will be discussing how you can use the library and how much easy is to create a chatbot, because almost everything is supplied by the libraries. We have everything in the libraries. We have all the modules in the library. The only thing that we need to do is properly use those libraries, use the modules of the libraries, and then implement our chatbot. It's not only for chatbot, it is for everything starting from machine learning, then all the algorithms. So Python is the simplest programming language. And why it is good programming language? Because we have almost everything in terms of libraries and modules. So in order to learn or in order to code any new software or any new program, we just need to have the knowledge of the libraries and how to use those libraries. So friends, let us start the video. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please click on the subscribe button so that you get important updates whenever a new video is uploaded on the channel. So we will be showing you programmatically how you can create a chatbot. So first of all, since I said that we will be using Jupyter Notebook, so just open command prompt, and in first of all your Jupyter Notebook must be installed. If you haven't installed, you can install using pip command, and once the Jupyter Notebook is installed, you just need to write Jupyter and then Notebook. So it is a browser based IDE. So in browser you can create all the programs and then execute, and it all the space that it takes the space of your any of your drive. So once you write this, so it will open the interface in browser. So you can see this is the Jupyter Notebook interface, and you can find that all the notebook or all the programming that you are doing, it is stored here. So in order to create a new notebook, you just need to create new and then Python 3, and you will be having this type of interface. So you can see all these blocks, they are basically showing the code blocks in which you can write your code. So we'll directly start by creating a chatbot. So in order to create a chatbot, the first and the important thing is you must have this NLTK library installed. You can see I have already got installed. So you just need to write pip install. So just wanted to show that whatever commands you used on the command prompt, the same thing is applicable on this Jupyter Notebook. In order to rename this, you can write chatbot. So it will be saved in your drive, and later if you want to use the same program, you can just open this in Jupyter and it will be working. So we will start with creating a chatbot. So as I said, that the first thing or the first library that is very important for chatbot is NLTK. So we will import this from nltk.chat.util import. First thing is chat and second thing is reflections. So these are the two modules that we are importing from nltk chat.utilities. And once we have done so, if we can see what is this reflections. So just write reflection, and in order to execute, you can see this is the menu bar from where it provides all the items. So if you want to run it, you just click on this run, and it takes some time, and then it will execute it. So you can see that this is what is stored in reflection. So you can see if we will put I am, so it will convert, the reflection will be you are, I was, you were. So it is automatically being done by this particular module. Then the second thing is we are just talking about a simple concept, how you can create a simple chatbot. So for that we need to have some rules, based upon that the chatbot will be functioning. So we will be defining the rule. So again, this rule is static rules, and we can again add some machine learning also, so that this chatbot learns also. So right now the machine learning part will not be there, it will be simply the rules that will define, and based upon that the chatbot will function. So for defining rules, we will be defining some pairs. So pairs, and then we will have so you can define any, I'm just creating some simple pairs. So whatever I am writing in the second part, it will be the output of the chatbot, and this will be the user's input. So again, we can have n number of rules, and then based upon that the chatbot will function. So I'm just putting only two rules. Again, there can be n number of rules. So if you want to just start, you're starting a website and you want to put some initial like 10 to 15 things that your user must know, you can just put in that, and then you can start your chatbot. So once it is done, the main thing is like now we are going to use this particular chat module. So we will write simple chat equal to this chat, and then in this particular chat, because this is the main module that is responsible for creating your chatbot, so we will be providing two parameters. One is your rules, and second is your reflections. So these are the two things that is being provided to it, and by default, once the user put quit, so the chatbot will end. So now we will write chat dot converse. So this is the function that will start the chat. So just wanted to let you know that it's very simple to create a simple chatbot. Even if you want to extend this chatbot to a higher level, the process is same. Most of the things are being done by your chat library, NLTK library, and once it is done, you just need to run. Also wanted to show you how easy is to code using Jupyter. So you have all type of code blocks, and you just need to execute this. So I am working in this particular code block. I will select this and I will click on run. As soon as I will click on run, you can see my chatbot has been started. It is waiting for some input. So I know that like what I need. So I will write need help, enter. So it is saying how can I help you. So again, as I said that the chatbot is functioning, you just need to have some UI, and then it will be working. So what is chatbot? Chatbot is a Python program to help you. So simple, whatever you are providing in these rule based, so it will be using those rules, and then based upon that it will showing you the output. So friends, this is all about how to create a simple chatbot within 10 minutes, what all libraries are there, and how you can use and how you can implement. In the next part, we'll be showing you how you can create using machine learning. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching this video.